Hello and welcome everybody. This is the Stamp Around UK vlog hop and this month's theme is monochrome. So I have everything on my desk, black, grey, white, pale grey, all sorts of fun things going on here. Lots of lovely textures and printed papers and stuff. So I got a little bit of a plan, not sure where I'm going with it, but we'll see. So I just wanted to give you a little word on this. This is a piece of paper that I've embossed. So I've just used the basic white cardstock, actually, not paper. And I inked up the bark embossing folder. This is a new one that's going to be available. Actually, it is available in the annual catalogue. And I inked up the embossing folder with a little bit of Smoky Slate ink before I run it through the machine. That's how I got that kind of really quite detailed texture on there. I've got myself a card base of white there, and I've also got on my desk some papers that you can earn for free in the upcoming celebration that's happening. I know, shock horror, we're having one in the middle of the year, not just at the beginning, and these are the lovely papers that you can earn from it. Not quite sure what I'm going to be doing just yet. Let's have a looky. So I want to have a little bit of contrast happening at the back of this panel here. So I want to put some flowers and things onto here, but I do want a little bit more of a kind of contrast to happen. So I'm going to cut, or tear rather, this panel down so that it fits inside my lovely square card base. Now this square card base measures 14.85 centimeters. Now if you're working in inches, then I think you're looking at pretty much the good old 5 3/4 inches roughly, if you want to make a square card. So there's my panel of kind of square-ish paper, and I'm wondering whether to put the good old stripes behind there just to add a bit of extra interest. So I'm going to cut this then down to 14.35 by 14.35. So after I cut that, I went ahead and stuck it down. So here we have got some lovely die cuts and punchies. So this is the lovely sunflower from the, is it Celebrate Sunflowers, I think it's called, set. And I wanted just to cut that to have as a little bit of a textured background on here, because I'm going to be making up some pretty daisies using the daisy punch. And I've gone all very monochromatic with basic grey as my largest daisy here. And I already went ahead and shaped my petals. So I will show you how to do that. It's pretty simple. You just get your pointy tweezers, and with each of the petals you kind of grasp it in your finger like so, and then hold the petal between your thumb and finger and give it a little twist, and that's what gives it that fabulous kind of texture reaching down towards the center of the flower. I've just realized I've stuck this on slightly skew-whiff. I just want to move that slightly. So I'm going to stick these all together, and then I have some Smoky Slate, slightly the smaller daisy. I think that is called the medium daisy, and I've got 2 of those, and I'm going to stick that in the middle there so that we've got this fantastic kind of monochromatic effect happening here. Actually, I could put that in the middle. That wouldn't look terrible, actually. There we go. I like it when you kind of, you don't plan these things and then you have a little play and you go, oh, that looks quite nice. So going to do that. So if you're not familiar with the oh gosh, I've got to get the right name, the Stamp Around UK vlog hop, then please do check out the description, because in the description are the links to all the other participants in the UK. It's a UK exclusive hop. That doesn't mean you can't watch it if you're not from the UK. It just means I don't know, it just means that you can support us guys in the UK with our creative projects. So everybody is doing monochrome this month, and I'm looking forward to seeing everybody's projects actually. So we all schedule our videos to go live on Sunday, not Sunday, sorry, the 1st of the month. It just happens to be a Sunday this month rather. Sorry, I've had a really busy day and I'm filming this obviously ahead of time and I'm trying to keep my words correct, but never mind. There we go. Right, so that's the grey flowers in place. Now I do have some additional pieces that I have cut out here, again from that same die set, and I like the idea of them kind of like poking out a bit, but I'm actually going to sort of rip that piece off to make it easier to set this piece in. So pop that one there. Oh, got this beautiful leaf. Love this leaf. Just going to set that in there like that. How many have I got of these? Kind of, they're a little bit like wheat stalks, I think. They're very pretty, but they do get tangled up with other things. There we go. It's a bit like, you know, when you have loads of necklaces in a drawer and they like to get tangled up with each other, you know. Does anyone else have that problem? Right, I'll just stick that one in there like so. So the trick is with these type of very detailed cards is to have a focal point, and in actual fact my major focal point is about to arrive. If you think that's the focal point, it's not. I'm actually going to be putting these gorgeous black, very dramatic butterflies somewhere on here. I haven't quite decided where yet, but I don't know whether to put them in the middle, or we'll figure it out in a second. I just want to get a few more of these leaves in, and I've punched out with the new star punch that's coming in the mini catalogue. So not long to go now, guys. If you're watching this on the 1st of August, we've got the new catalogue going live on the 3rd of August. I'm sure you're sick of us demonstrators going on about it, and it's coming soon, honest. So there we go. Right, so I just punched out a whole load of stars. I had a nice scrap piece of white cardstock that I thought, you know, I'm just going to cut a few out. And I just like the idea of perhaps layering a couple of stars to create a really cool centre for my flowers here. So let's see if this works. I'll just pop a bit of glue there and there, and see if that star will go down. If this one will go down. And this is a really classic star shape, so I'm glad it's in this punch because we don't currently have one. A few years ago we had like a little mini punch set that contained a star like this, and I loved it. I still have it actually because it's so useful for kind of kids cards, or you know, if you're celebrating something you need some stars in it. So. And the great thing about a punch is that once you have it, you can cut it out of whatever colours you want. And there we have that. Now that's lovely. I'm going to, while I'm here, just embellish. Ooh, come on. The glue didn't want to come away with me then. I'm just going to embellish the centres of these lovely flowers while I'm kind of thinking about it, because I've got a feeling that once these butterflies go down, I'm going to find it very difficult to do so. So let's bring on our piece of our card base. Right, now I did cut out a few of these darker leaves, but I think I'm quite enjoying seeing all that lovely whiteness in the background with the focal point of the flowers. And I'm wondering if I can get away with just one of these. So I cut out the white background. So this is the Brilliant Wings die set. I nearly said something else, didn't. And I'm wondering if that would look quite cute there. Now this is very much a 3D card, and I'll probably need to make a special box for this. This is kind of one of those cards that, yeah, you do need to make a little box for. So I think there and there, that would look good. Right, so the first thing I need to do is glue these butterflies down, and then once I've done that, I'm going to apply quite a few dimensionals onto the back of this white card so that it will definitely stick down and have no chance of coming off, because you don't want that to happen, do you? You know, your card falling apart after you made it. So let's see. Oh, and I've just thought it would be nice if I had some kind of black, pretty black things to go in there. I'm just going to go and see if I've got anything. It just so happens that I've just found in my stash some retired black faceted jewels, and I think these would just go perfect because I don't want to kind of distract too much from the centers of these. I do want them to remain black, and I think I'll just pop 3 big ones. Oh, they want to pop everywhere. Where's my little picky thing? Oh, there it is. This is my little pick-me-up tool, picky tool. No, it won't turn over. Oh dear. Right, come on you. No, don't stick to the grid paper. Oh dear. They just won't listen, will they? See? Don't work with children, pets and gems. Right, so I've got 2 more left on here. So I'm going to put a big one there. Sorry, 2 big ones there. And will I fit another one? Oh, just about. And then 1 little tiny one there left. Oh, perfect. That was meant to be. Those are lovely, those gems. Right. Oh, let's stick this down. So now, when it comes to sticking down something with texture on, it's worth adding quite a bit of glue. Now, ignore the background of that. That's got a bit of brown on there because guess who forgot to clean her embossing folder? This is the correct side. So I'm actually going to just push that down because I really want to make sure that that's really stuck on. And then I can always fluff up the flowers afterwards. That's okay. I'm just going to tear a little bit of that off as well. Righty ho, we're nearly there, home straight now guys. So I'm just going to put some dimensionals onto the back of these butterflies and then we'll get it stuck down. So dimensionals stuck on, ready to go. And I think I'm going to place that one there like so, and that one there as if it's about to fly off the card. And there you have it. So if you haven't subscribed to me already, please consider doing so. If you like the card and you'd like to see a few more of my videos, please do go and also check out all the other beautiful creations that folk have done and go and give them a lovely thumbs up. It's so nice to be able to encourage other YouTubers from the UK. Some of them are kind of just starting out on their YouTube journey, so it's lovely to be able to kind of support them. And so thank you if you're coming here via someone else's video. And there we go. That's my monochromatic card for this week. Now I'm looking at this thinking, does it need a Winker Stella? I think it does. And does it constitute monochrome? Well, you can tell me in the comment section. Did I cheat by putting a little bit of glitter on it? I don't know. It just felt like it needed something. So this Winker Stella, if you've never come across it before, it's just like magic in a bottle. It's a kind of really cool glitter pen. And it saves you getting all sticky, having to put glue down first or anything like that. So there we have it. I will put a list of the products used in the description. If you fancied purchasing any of these, please do head to my online shop. And of course, if you'd like a magazine, if you'd like a catalogue, it reads like a magazine, it's so beautiful. If you'd like a catalogue, please do email me, ruthtrice@gmail.com. Right, take care for now and happy vlog hopping.